You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release lever and open the hood. You should now be able to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, since the whole car is connected to the negative terminal. This can create sparks that are dangerous to your car's electrical system. Using a ratchet and a long 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. To remove the battery, you have to unscrew the support bar. The assembly consists of a locking plate attached to the support bar. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, loosen the upper retaining bolt of the locking plate. Then remove the lower nut. The locking plate can now rotate. Using a ratchet and a long 10mm socket, unscrew the two nuts securing the support bar. You can now remove the support bar. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connections, but also to limit oxidation development. Take the new battery. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a 10mm socket. Then put the negative terminal back on. Insert it fully before fixing it in place. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Replace the support bar. Then loosely screw the nut back on. Put the locking plate back in place. Then screw the lower nut back onto the support bar. Roughly screw the second nut back on. Tighten the nuts. Tighten the upper locking bolt of the plate. Operation complete.